In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to color code tasks in Microsoft Planner. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Planner in your browser and sign in with your account. Once you're in, you'll see your main dashboard. If Planner happens to open on a homepage instead, look to the left navigation and click My Plans. From the plan list, click the prepared plan you want to work with. In this walkthrough, the plan is called Website Launch Color Tags. When the board loads, confirm that it shows the 3 setup task cards. Now let's open the first task. Click the card named Draft Homepage Copy. The Task Details panel will open on the right. On the left side of that panel, click the tag or label icon. In the box that appears, go ahead and type the label name. For this task, the label is called Urgent, so type the word Urgent so we can set it up correctly. Now clear that box so it's empty, and the existing color label list will appear. Look through the list and find an unused color label. Once you spot one, click the pencil or edit icon next to that color label. Rename it by typing the word Urgent into the field. When you're done, press Enter or simply click Away to save the change. Now select or check the Urgent label so it applies to Draft Homepage Copy. Close the task panel using the X in the corner. Next, let's create the design label. Click the card named Review Add Creative. When the panel opens, click the tag or label icon again. If anything is typed in the search box, clear it out completely. Now choose another unused color label from the list. Click its pencil or edit icon to begin renaming. In the field, type the word Design as the new label name. Press Enter or click Away to save it. Then select or check Design so it applies to this task. Close the task panel when you're finished. Now we'll create the email label. Click the card named Publish Launch Email. Once the panel opens, click the tag or label icon. If there's anything in the search box, clear it out. Click the pencil or edit icon on an unused color label. In the field, type the word Email to rename it. Press Enter or click Away to save it. Then select or check Email so it applies to this task. We're also going to add Urgent to this email task. While you're still on Publish Launch Email, stay right there in the label menu. From the list, select or check Urgent as well, so this task carries 2 labels. Now close the task panel. Take a moment to confirm that Publish Launch Email now shows both Email and Urgent. Now let's group everything by labels. On the board, look near the top right and click the option that reads Group by Bucket. From the menu that appears, choose Labels. The view will refresh, and you can confirm that your tasks are now grouped by the color labels you created. At this point, your planner board is fully color-coded with named labels. Draft Homepage Copy is marked Urgent, Review Add, Creative is marked Design, and Publish Launch Email is marked both Email and Urgent. This means your task cards can be scanned quickly by color and neatly grouped by label, giving you a clear visual system across the whole board. And that's it! Congratulations! You've successfully color-coded your tasks in Microsoft Planner using the label color system. You now have a board where every card is tagged, organized, and easy to read at a glance. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.